Hello everyone, in today's video I'm going to show you how to change folder icon on Mac. So the first step is to simply open your image. So I'm gonna use this image to basically change it for the folder icon. Then here what you're gonna have to do, so when you open the image, click on edit, and then here you're gonna have to select copy. Now we can close this and this one, and then you're gonna have to open your folder and then simply press the control key and once on your computer mouse and then click on get info. Now here you're gonna have to select your folder icon and then simply paste the image that you just copied, and as you can see we have a new folder icon. So basically that's all you have to do. I really hope you found this video helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.